Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I mop the floor.
I mop the floor.
I dust the furniture.
I dust the furniture.
I wipe the table.
I wipe the table.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the kitchen.
I clean the bathroom.
I clean the bathroom.
I tidy up the living room.
I tidy up the living room.
I organize my closet.
I organize my closet.
I pick up my clothes.
I pick up my clothes.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I dry the dishes.
I put the dishes away.
I put the dishes away.
I take out the trash.
I take out the trash.
I do the laundry.
I do the laundry.
I sort the clothes.
I sort the clothes.
I wash the clothes.
I wash the clothes.
I hang the clothes.
I hang the clothes.
I fold the clothes.
I fold the clothes.
I iron my clothes.
I iron my clothes.
I cook breakfast.
I cook breakfast.
I make lunch.
I make lunch.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I wash fruits and vegetables.
I wash fruits and vegetables.
I cut vegetables.
I cut vegetables.
I boil water.
I boil water.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I eat my meal.
I eat my meal.
I clear the table.
I clear the table.
I open the curtains.
I open the curtains.
I close the curtains.
I close the curtains.
I open the windows.
I open the windows.
I close the windows.
I close the windows.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I sit on the sofa.
I sit on the sofa.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I rest for a while.
I rest for a while.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I work in the garden.
I work in the garden.
I sweep the yard.
I sweep the yard.
I feed the pets.
I feed the pets.
I lock the doors.
I lock the doors.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.